my name's Jess and I want to bring you on a journey in building models. So stick around, like and subscribe, and please don't forget to share. Thanks! In today's build video, I'm going to be building a 1972 Stingray Corvette Convertible. I'm going to be building this car for my Grammy. I thought that it would be a really nice way to cheer her up. I haven't seen her in a very, very long time. It's been almost 5 years, I think, since I've seen her, and I'm going to be going to visit her very soon. So I thought, what better way than to build her a model? She used to build models herself, and then she passed that down to my dad, where he started building models, and then I started building models. So it kind of is a family thing, and it's a little bit full circle. So I'm hoping that she'll really enjoy this. This used to be a car that she owned back in the day, so I figured what better way than to just cheer her up and surprise her with something that she loves. So let's get started. First things first, my Grammy had a 350 cubic inch small block Chevy, and this is what the air filter housing looked like. In order to create those little hoses, I went ahead and used some styrene tubing, and then I heated that up and kind of smushed it down to get that oval shape. Now I'm going to mix Tamiya orange and red. I'm trying to get that Chevy orange color for the engine. So I'll mix these up and we'll start painting. Alright folks, we're going to be painting the inside of these rims. They're going to be like a gray on the inside there because they're a type of rally wheel, like stainless steel. So we're going to go ahead and paint the inside a real thin line all the way around in there. That's why I have these bad boys on. Oh god, I look like Bubbles from Trailer Park Boys. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing, and hopefully it turns out nice.
So this is a photo of my Grammy in her Corvette. It's a little difficult to see what color the Corvette actually is because the sun is creating a shadow and it almost looks like it's two different colors in this photo. It's not. It is a gray Corvette. This is the only photo that I had to really work off of, but I just wanted to share it because she looks absolutely iconic. With that being said, let's start painting.
This is the paint I will be using. I couldn't find the paint originally. I just knew that it was like a gray, the original one. So I went ahead and sent a text message to my buddy Gary Seeds, and I asked him where I could get the color that would be perfect for this Corvette. And he went ahead and told me that MCW was a good place to get vintage colors like that. So that's the color that I will be painting this to get it the most accurate to my Grammy's Vette possible. Let's do it. Fun little fact, when the bumpers are separated like this, the rear bumpers, they're actually called bumpettes. And I just thought that was kind of cute, so I wanted to share. Okay guys, it's finished. I think it turned out spectacular. It looks really, really nice. I even did the custom license plate that says Grammy. I hope that she really, really likes this. This was a really interesting kit in the way that I had to comb through 3 different kits to get the parts for one kit. So that was a mission in itself. Not only that, but I was a little taken aback by the fact that it looks kind of like a darker silver, like with a green tint. This is the actual color for the Vette. It's called Steel Cities Gray, and it looks very dark, I think, but I think that's because the flake in it is meant for a 1-to-1 scale. I think if it was on a larger car like the actual Corvette, it would be a little more light silver gray. I think that just because it's on a scale model that it kind of came out a little bit darker. I still think it turned out really well. It was my first time spraying anything with like kind of a glittery texture. I know, kind of surprising for me, but yeah, it was my first time spraying anything with like a glittery texture like that. So I don't think I did too bad. With that being said, I want to thank everybody for watching my videos. I hope that you enjoy watching these videos as much as I enjoy building these models and making these videos for you guys. And I am leaving on a plane with this tomorrow for Wisconsin. And it has to get through TSA. Oh, fuck. Package secured.
Thank you, honey.
She's like cautiously taking it. I swear it's nothing bad.
It's gonna
No
jump
snakes,
out.
right?
No snakes, I promise.
Oh, look at that. Did you make this for me?
I did, Grammy.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
And it like, it even goes like, if you open, you can see the
I
engine
love
and
it.
everything.
It's like yours.
Yeah, I know, I love it. I'm gonna cry
Oh,
again.
Don't cry.
Grammy, don't cry.
I love it.
Aww. I hope you do. Check out the license plate.
I can't see it.
It says Grammy.
All
And
right.
it's a Wisconsin plate too.
Oh,
Oh,
far
nice.
out.